Manisha Gupta now joins in with all the updates from the commodity space. Manisha, good morning. How are the commodities reacting to all the overnight developments?
Well, the crude is really the focal point of it at all. The prices have seen a decline for a fifth straight day. The prices are trading at a 6-week lows right now. The crude inventory in the U.S. fell by 3 million barrels, and that perhaps is a bit of a support in the markets right now. But the U.S. is expected, after increasing Indian tariffs from 25 to 50% because of buying Russian crude, there could be more announcements coming in from U.S. as secondary sanctions to other countries as well. The U.S. Secretary of State also has said that the U.S. will make an announcement on potential sanctions against Russia itself. Well, that is expected on Friday. So we are far from done when it comes to tariffs. And of course, then the negotiations will begin as well. But at this point in time, it really is about some decline that we've seen in the crude oil prices in the global markets, and Street looking at on what the sanctions could come in as and whether or not it does disturb the crude flow in the global markets there. Having said that, it really is about reactions from Indian associations right now, Hormuz, on 50% tariff. It does make it not viable, not just for the crude imports for India, but also when it comes to gems and jewelry as a sector, as textile as a sector. The Rice Exporter Association also seems to be telling us that exports at these current levels is not viable. Trade does stand suspended at these levels, and it would only be about negotiations that would happen in the third week of August on what really is the outcome from there that the business will restart. At this point in time, there's a lot of edginess, even concerns amongst many of these sectors.
Take that point, Manisha. Thanks a lot for that. Crude lower overnight, but trade disrupted for gems and jewelry, textiles, as well as rice exports. With that